Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Agoda password in some very easy steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Agoda password, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer, and after opening the browser just simply go into the site of agoda.com. Then, after going into this site of agoda.com, you will see your profile icon into the top right side. Just simply tap into your profile icon, and after tapping into there, you will get the option of your profile. Just simply tap into that profile option. After tapping into the profile option, this option will appear. Now into here, you will get to see this password option down here. You just simply have to tap into this edit button in order to change your password into Agoda. Just simply tap into edit button and you have to enter your current password into this upper box. Then after that, you just simply have to enter a new password for your account into this second box and repeat the same password into the third box. Then after entering all these passwords, you just simply have to tap into this save button down here and your password of Agoda will successfully be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.